So in the last few videos, we've been traveling via food. We had eats from Hong Kong that brought back those childhood memories. We had delicious traditional Taiwanese eats that transported my taste buds to Taiwan, and also specialty items from Xi'an, which although I haven't been to, I really want to go one day. And today's video is going to be no different. We are again transporting to a different country via food. Hello, I'm Janice and I hope you're all doing well. So not too long ago, a company called Bokksu got in touch and asked if I'd be interested in trying their monthly snack box subscription service, and this is the box I'm talking about. So what's in this box is essentially an original assortment of various Japanese snacks and tea pairings from all over Japan. So the first box is called Seasons of Japan, and it's a series of snacks from all the seasons. And then every month after that, you get a monthly themed box, so you never get the same snacks again. And then in every box, there's a culture guide that talks about like the background behind each of the snacks. And then in this guide, there's also a map of Japan that sort of shows you which part of Japan each of these snacks came from. Look, this is a pretty big box of snacks and I shouldn't really eat all this alone. So I'm going to be inviting 2 additional people to join me on this video and try these snacks with me. Without further ado, let me introduce my 2 siblings. All right, I've got my 2 siblings with me to try out these snacks. The reason being, the last trip that we took as a family was to Japan, and I wanted to, relive some of these memories. And we only went to Osaka. So this time we're going to be trying like snacks from all over Japan. So it's like we're traveling around the country.
We also went to Kyoto.
And Nara. And Kobe.
That's very true. Okay, so as I said, there is a culture guide here that talks about each of the snacks. So this is a seasons box. It has like spring, summer, autumn, winter. And we're gonna start with the mochi.
Oh, so there's nothing inside.
I wanna see if there's a difference in flavor. It tastes quite sweet. I think it's sugar on the outside. Cheers.
No.
I think it tastes the same.
Oh, maybe no. No, it tastes different.
Yeah,
It's different. This is apple.
Try to remember what they taste like, because I'm gonna ask what your favorite top 3 is after this.
Top 3.
Top 3. And then next up, we try something called the stick potato. It's an ode to the Japanese plum tree, and every bite of these thin, crispy potato sticks carries the floral notes of plum blossoms.
It's like ketchup.
Tomato sauce.
It's pretty good.
But it's meant to be plum. I guess it has that acidity, right? I'm a fan of savory snacks, so I like this one a lot. Okay, next up it's the...
Oh, 20th century pear langusha.
What is this?
You just said it. So essentially it has pear, it has cheese, and it has white chocolate.
Yeah, just rip it. Break it.
I'm having one.
Oh, this is nice.
It's like the one that in the blue box.
Mmm.
The boxy.
Yeah, lunya.
Oh, I really like it.
Yeah, me too. I wish I took the full one. Oh, they're really good.
This is the world's first strawberry infused chocolate. Strawberries are harvested, freeze-dried, infused with a white chocolate. Flavor sweet. Vegetarian, yes. Common allergens, milk, soy. Also contains not applicable. You can't have it.
Neither can you.
Otherwise, she's running to the loo.
That is very interesting. Is that chocolate or?
Yeah, it's strawberry infused chocolate.
Oh wow.
Oh, no.
Where's this from? This is from Nagano. I'm pretty sure that's not how you say it.
I'm pretty sure it's not how you say it.
Okay, so we're moving on to summer now. We're done with spring. So this is made with summer harvested edamame bits. Baked into the cracker, it's sprinkled with roasted soybean powder and has a delicious nutty crunch.
It's like a wong wong.
It's like a rice cracker, but you can taste the flavor of the edamame beans. Can you?
I couldn't. Maybe I didn't get much in mine.
Next one, we have seaweed tempura.
It's like Yuppie.
Really?
Yeah, it looks like you pay.
You know what it tastes like? It's like fish and chips.
This is really good.
I really like it.
I really like this. I like this as much as the other one. It has some citrusy taste to it.
Yeah, because it's the Sudachi citrus.
Yeah.
It's like fish and chips.
Fish and chips.
It's not like fish and chips.
Yeah, it is.
It's not.
It's like a seaweed chip, but then with some citrusy flavors. Let's try the Dondon Yaki first.
Yeah,
No.
this candy's hard.
No, let's try the Dondon Yaki first.
Dondon Yaki.
And these savory senbei are fried and marinated in, tonkatsu sauce. Okay, let's open this one up.
Stop recording.
Yeah. Can you dang a dang?
Why? Does it matter?
I still like the seaweed better.
I like the seaweed better as well. It's meant to be tangy, peppery, a little sweet. We're gonna taste the Yuzu sake candy last because it's hard. Okay, next is Hokkaido red bean donuts.
Oh, they're like full.
They're filled with red bean paste, azuki beans from Hokkaido. It's comforting and it's rich, and we've now moved on to autumn.
Was that all spring?
No, I told you, that was summer.
You didn't say it.
I did, didn't I? So we're moving on to summer now. We're done with spring. I said we've moved on to summer. Now we're on to spring. I mean autumn.
Shouldn't it go fall? Shouldn't it go summer?
Yeah, or it's fall.
Shouldn't it go summer?
For our
and
American viewers.
then spring.
Fall.
Are you done?
Summer, autumn,
Fall. How's it a donut if it doesn't have a hole in the middle?
spring. It's a donut ball.
Yeah, it's a donut ball.
It's like a Timbit.
Are you meant to heat these up?
No.
It says they're perfect for colder weather though.
Yeah, because it's quite dense.
How does that make it better?
Yeah. Don't you think this is better for winter?
No.
Okay, well, it's quite thick.
So?
I'm trying to describe what this tastes like.
I'm pretty thick.
It's quite doughy, and then the red bean isn't too sweet. Can you say something, please?
I don't like red bean.
I don't mind it.
It's pretty good.
Okay, next.
Next is matcha chocolate stick cake.
Maybe it's because you can have a hot drink with it.
Yeah, I think it'll go really well with a hot drink, like a hot tea.
Alright, Eunice. It's the most life you've shown the whole video.
This soft cake uses matcha from Uji, Kyoto.
We went to Kyoto.
Yeah, we did.
Okay, before we start, what was your favorite memory of Japan, of us, when we went to a family trip?
I'm not answering this.
What about you, Eunice? What was your favorite memory?
Going to Harry Potter World.
Same. Going to Harry Potter World was my favorite memory.
My favorite memory was when Janice said, "Oh, you're good."
This is really good. This is quite fluffy. This is less dense than the previous one. I can taste the matcha.
And the chocolate.
And the chocolate. This is nice. Okay, this is for mum.
Next is the black sesame taiko kumamon design.
This is quite thick.
Smells like black sesame.
Well, there is a lot of black sesame, so what do you expect?
I really like this. It's like a sesame snack.
Yeah, it's basically just a sesame snack,
But it's really good.
but with black sesame.
Okay, and? Okay, we are now on to our last item for autumn. It's an apple caramel yakkoi sable. So this cookie uses apples exclusively from Japan's apple prefecture. So this is a soft and chewy cookie. Oh wow, it's so soft.
It's quite chewy.
I like it.
I don't mind it. Can you taste the apple?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Apples don't belong on cookies.
What about apple pies?
Since when was apple pie cookie?
It's still pastry. I don't mind it. I don't know why you don't like it.
What, so I'm not allowed to have an opinion now?
Okay, we are now done with autumn and we're moving on to winter.
So boil the water.
So I need to, so there's a tea that's recommended. So I'm gonna go, Morris is gonna go boil the water. There's mochi puffs. Ooh, this one looks good. I saw someone try the snacks on YouTube and
Is this the mochi puff?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Oh no. That's the Uni Rice Cracker. It's quite like airy. Like you.
I'll read it. Give it to me.
Can you do it properly, please?
Organic Genmaicha Tea. Genmaicha is a combination of green tea and roasted brown rice.
Yeah.
Rice was originally added to help extend a smaller amount of expensive tea across many cups. Genmaicha has remained popular in Japan for its warm and comforting taste.
We'll let it brew a bit more, and while we're waiting, let's try the yuzu candy.
Okay.
By the way, this has a little bit of alcohol in it, so it has 0.1% alcohol. I like it. Do you like it?
Tastes like yellow tea.
Well, this is yuzu, so
What's Yuzu?
yellow tea.
Yeah, this would be good.
I like
Can
it.
you taste the sake?
Yeah,
Very tiny bit, but
this would be good to just suck on.
So the yuzu candy is actually the summer one. It's actually handcrafted exclusively for Bokksu.
I like it. I really like it.
It blends yuzu juice and peel with sake for a refreshingly citrusy candy.
But it's quite refreshing. Like I feel like I'm a bit more awake. Citrus.
A bit more awake from one candy.
Okay, this is the tea.
Oh.
Ooh.
I think we added too much water.
No, we didn't. One tastes good.
One tastes good. It's like a good thing to have after a meal. Like it's just soothing of the body.
Agreed. I want to buy more of this. I wonder where it is, where I can buy it. Okay, now we move on to the we were gonna drink this while we eat the snacks.
Yeah, that's why I'm drinking it.
So we start with a Meijin mochi puff. Transforms mochi into crisp and airy texture. It's a cloud-like confection using a secret proprietary process. The inside is very airy.
Yeah, but it's not like a meringue airy. It's like
a puff airy.
It's like melt in your mouth.
All right then.
it doesn't really help.
It's good with the tea.
Next up we have the Puku Thai.
It's Puku.
Oh, sorry. Puku Thai. Oh yeah. Should I have cut it? No.
Who cares?
No, I'm just gonna cut it.
Why? It's gonna crumble as well.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it will.
No, it's
What a
not.
bet.
Guarantee it.
$10.
Yeah, $10 it won't crumble.
It crumbled.
No, it didn't. Look, it was perfect.
Nothing's perfect, James. I like this.
You like? Let me try.
The chocolate's really chocolatey and rich, and I like that.
Oh, the chocolate is nice.
That's what I just
I
said.
like finish most of these seaweed tempuras.
Can you leave some? I actually really like those.
Sorry.
This one's not bad.
Oh, and then with the tea, even better.
Put on your Eunice.
Okay, last one.
Is it?
Yep.
It's not really that shocking.
The last one is the Uni Rice Cracker.
Oh,
Uni?
wow.
What uni is it from? Eunice?
So it's sea urchin and soy sauce. Savory and salty without being overly fishy. Ooh.
Lick your lips kind of salty.
Wait, don't eat it yet, please. So this is meant to be like in the shape of uni as well.
What?
That's what it says. It looks like the actual, oblong shape. Okay, let's just try it.
You're an oblong shape. Smells like yolk choy.
I can taste the uni.
I can't. You know what tastes good.
Oh, I can.
Really?
That's good.
Oh, I can.
What do you mean?
At the
you
very
can try
end.
after the first bite.
No, I can't. Mine didn't have as much.
This is good. If you like the taste of,
Janice doesn't like uni, so I don't think she should have any more.
if you like the taste of sea urchin,
No, but this actually tastes like sea urchin.
Yum. It's like the salt water.
it really is. Lick your lips salty.
It's
I
good.
like it.
Yeah, I like that as well.
Give me another one.
Oh, it says the number.
There's 3 left.
Oh, what's your favorite top 3 overall?
The seaweed.
The seaweed?
I think I like the green tea.
Yeah, I like the green tea as well.
And it's a close one between the potato snack and the sesame cracker thing. Oh, actually, no, I like the pear one.
I preferred the savoury snacks over the sweet.
I always prefer savoury snacks over
I also
sweet
really
snacks.
liked
What was your top 3?
the sea urchin one.
Sea urchin and then what else?
Sea urchin, seaweed, and the green tea.
Okay, my favorites were the seaweed cracker one. I really like the green tea as well. The green tea, and also I really like the pear.
That's mine. That's my picks.
Oh really? Did I pick the same thing as you? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna pick something else.
we're not allowed to share the same thoughts. Groupthink is not okay.
Alright, and that is it for this video. If you want to order your own box of Bokksu Japanese premium treats and tea pairings, I do have a link and a code where you can get 10% off. So I put everything in my description. If you're still watching, thank you so much for watching till the end. I post new videos every week, so check them out if you have time. I hope you have an amazing rest of the day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Thank you so much for watching till the end. I post new videos every week, so check them out if you have time. I hope you have an amazing rest of the week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Morris, what are you doing? Alright, and that is it for this video. If you want to order your own bokksu with your premium Jap...
Why is you just sitting there like, oh my god.